Vitals are stable on the second subject.
Noted. Proceed to the scanning array.
Data stream indicates optimal vitals. Proceed with dermal scan sequence gamma.
Sequence initiated. Misdistribution is nominal.
The ultrafine yield is spiking again on table 3.
Yes, I see that. The density levels are stabilizing now, though. Check the pressure on tank 3, it's running high. Adjusting the flow now. Keep an eye on the cycle timer. The coloration is shifting slightly on the third height.
Yes, the malleability parameters look stable.
Is it? Technicians insert internal reinforcements, flexible plates, dense foams, and light metallic structures inside.
A temperatura interna está dentro do esperado.
Os sensores confirmam a estabilidade do fluxo de ar.
The automated nozzles apply the translucent moisturizer, maintaining elasticity and resistance.
The temperature in zone 3 is stabilizing.
Acknowledged. Pressure levels look consistent.
The softness is excellent on this batch.
Confirmed, the luster is perfect.
Adjust the intake rate for the next 15 cycles.
Confirmed. The system is updating the AGV paths now.
The structural resin is precisely injected, mixing with the fibers to create a highly resistant composite.
As the presses descend with a heavy, continuous impact, the digital curves advance.
Os braços hidráulicos fecham lentamente, aumentando a pressão. A câmera de aproxima até que microdeformações sejam invisíveis.
A resistência está caindo muito rápido.
Sim, e a infiltração aumentou neste ponto. Precisamos ajustar a pressão.
As you can see in the rendering, the fiber provides superior warmth without the added weight. It's incredibly soft and durable.